flush cone on the back of a toilet system. So these are very temperamental things, and don't get me wrong, I think the plastic nut works perfect, yeah, but when it's old or not newly installed, like, we can look at this flush cone, which is this bit of pipe there, and you can see just from the watermarks on it, you've had a leak on it before, innit? Let's just keep it real, innit? What are you lying for? So, looks like it's come from there, baby. So, I'm gonna undo it, is the first thing to do. Let all the water out of the system first. Before that, I think there isn't any water inside here, but I will try and get as much water as I can out. Even though this is a riser, which goes all the way down, there's no point weighing it up. So I'm just gonna get to that. That's gonna be, this is part of, I wouldn't say so much as basic plumbing. You have to kind of like know what you're doing, but you don't at the same time, because it's only one nut. The only nut what I'm gonna touch is that one there. So this bottom nut is the only one we're gonna touch. You can see the water's building up on the top. So yeah, we'll try and deal with that. And what am I gonna use to deal with that? This bit of rag, yeah? Always need a rag. You never know when you need a rag. But make sure it's clean, innit? That's the main thing. So let's get to it. Just a thing to add, these plastic nuts and stuff like that, you can actually do rubber washer, which is in between that. That should be doing its job, but I know what to do there. Let me show you. Learned that trick from a little American man still. Thank you, Mechanical Hub. Remember that. So we're right at the end of the job, where we're just checking. Visually, I like to check with my hands, innit, for any leaks. Then you look at your hand, see if it's wet. If it's not wet, that's when you get that speech ready to say to the customer about money, innit? Yeah, it's gonna cost you, yeah, ready. And that's how to fix a leak on your flush cone. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Want you to like it, tell your mates about it, tell them where you learnt something. Mr. London Plumber made it.